How to know if someone is online on Snapchat? To know if someone is online on Snapchat, there is no any direct such as online status indicators like those found in other applications such as WhatsApp or Messenger. But there are some other methods or trick that's gonna help you to know if someone is online on Snapchat. First option is to look for the Snap Maps. Open your Snap Map by pinching on the camera screen. Or if you want to open your Snap Map, what you can do is tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left. Here scroll down a bit and there you'll have a Snap Map, tap on it. So after that, what you can do is look for the Bitmoji of the person that you are interested in. Tap on it, and if their Bitmoji appears on the map and it says just now, that means they are active or they were active very recently. But if the timestamp is older, they may not be online. This works only if they have enabled their location sharing for you. So that's one of the way to know if someone is online on Snapchat. The other way is to send a snap or message. So get to your chat page and there send snap or message. If the message shows delivered and they open it quickly, it indicates that they are active. Or you can also check for the open timestamp to see when they viewed your snap or message. So that was the second option. And the third option is to look for the activity in the chat. Open the chat with a person. If you see a typing notifications, they are currently active. Sometimes you may notice their Bitmoji appearing at the bottom of the chat screen if they are currently in the conversation window. And the last method is to look for the snap score. So check for or update the snap score periodically, and if the score increases, it indicates that they have been sending or receiving the snaps, which means they are active. So these are some of the insights or features that will help you know if someone is online on Snapchat, since there is no direct option to know someone online status. So that's how you can know if someone is online. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.